Hey lovelies, it's your girl Swan here bringing to you a brand new video and guest starring in only the intro and maybe the outro is my nephew. Say hi. Yeah, he won't leave me alone. So he's in the intro. This is like the third time I'm redoing this. He won't leave me alone. He loves me so much. So, anyhow, lovelies. Hello. Okay. So, anyhow, lovelies. So, in this week's video, I recently watched Birds of Prey, and it was one of the most awesome movies I have seen in a long time. And I knew I was going to like the movie, but I didn't know I was going to like it so much. I am obsessed with the costume design in this video. It's just like works of art, each scene. I was like, and the little details that they did, it's just like perfect. I just love this movie. I just can't wait to see it again. It's so awesome. And I don't usually like to, like the favorite character of a movie because I find that's too cliche. But I can't help it. Harley Quinn. She's so yes, sweetie. Okay then. So yes, sweetie. Tea. And you just drink tea? Okay then. So I'm gonna make this quick. But oh my gosh, Harley Quinn was so awesome. Yes, sweetie? Okay, you'll get tea just now. And I just had to draw her, so before he demands me to just go and make you tea, I hope you guys enjoy it. Yes, sweetie? No. Okay. Because I got inspired from last week's video with experimenting with the paper, and I just had to try it again. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you and I'll catch you at the end, guys. Everybody. Yes. All right.
Drag me to death like a lit cigarette. Took my last breath like the smoke from my lips. I've lied for you and I liked it too, but my knees are bruised from kneeling to you. I've had enough, but you're too hard to quit. We've had our fun, now your sugar makes me sick. I've lied for you and I liked it too, but my makeup's ruined and now I'm crying through my fear. But baby, if I had to choose, the joke's on you. The joke's on you. God knows I tried to be kind, but all just hate. Some and die wearing a fake smile. The joke's on you. My heart's gone bad, now it won't be for you. You had your laugh, now I won't play the fool. I've lied for you, and I liked it too, but I'm black and blue from bleeding for you. You struck the match, burned me out so fast. Look what we had, now it's turned to ash. I've lied for you, and I liked it too, but my makeup's ruined, and now I'm laughing through my tears. I'm crying through my fear. But baby, if I had to choose, the joke's on you. The joke's on you. God knows I've tried to be kind, but all just hate. Some and die wearing a fake smile. joke's on you. I ain't tryna. Yeah, ain't tryna be cool like you. Wobbling around in your high heel shoes, I'm clumsy. Made friends with the floor. 2 for 1, you know a bitch by 4. And 2 left feet, you know I always drop. First thing a girl did was a bop. And the whole damn cake and the cherry on top. Shook up the bottom, made a good girl pop. You ain't even here to party. Ken in the club tryna pipe a Barbie. I don't wanna go with the flow back then until I touch my toes. I don't wanna roll the boat. Wrist full of rocks and I hope I float. Big up yourself cause you know they don't. I chew cause they hope I show. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. Bitch on the after, you been the before. I've been the stallion, you been the seahorse. Don't need a report, don't need a press run. All of my bad pics been all my best ones. I wear the hat and I wear the pants. I am advanced, so I get advanced. And I do my dance and cancel the plans. Said, boo, don't be mad cause you had a chance. Yeah, said I took it and I ran for it. I run it and I stand on it. Money on the floor when we dance on it. Shine bright when I put a tan on it. Said I took it and I ran for it. I run it and I stand on it. Money on the floor when we dance on it. Shine bright when I put a tan on it. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass.
Kiss the lips of a portion and now I'm out in the open. So follow me into the dark, break up a piece of your heart. Sell it for money and cars. Come on wherever you are. My motivations are, all my temptations are. My heart is racing, the sensation are. I'm with my diamonds out, my time is timeless now. I get so high. The feeling so supersonic. I try to stop but I just can't stop it. Dancing in flames. Sway with me, sway. When the rhythm starts to play, dance with me, make me sway. Like the lazy ocean hugs the shore. Hold me close, sway me more.
Ice, yeah, superstar chick, I be on the list, always in the mix, I blow back a kiss. Bad boy want this, bad boy gon' miss. Run up on me, I bet he get the gist. Harley, catch a quick body. Vroom, like I'm riding a Harley, but I'm in a Rari. Sorry, not sorry. Didn't say a peep, but I know them birds saw me. Tell your people to call me if it is about that chicken. The most wanted in Gotham. All your diamonds is missing. Oh, you thought I was kidding? This a suicide mission. You need to make a decision on what side is you picking. See it if I want it, I'ma take that. See it if I want it, I'ma take that. See it if I want it, I'ma take that. See it if I want it, I'ma take that. Girls like me, they'll make that. Girls like me, they'll make that. Girls like me, they'll make that.
When the rhythm starts to play, dance with me, make me sway. Like the lazy ocean hugs the shore. Hold me close, sway me more. Take a seat, the show is beginning. All the devils are singing, climbing up on the chandelier. You can't stop me from swinging. So follow me into the dark, break up a piece of your heart. Sell it for money and cars. Come
death, like a lit cigarette. Took my last breath, like the smoke from my lips. I've lied for you, and I liked it too. But my knees are bruised from kneeling to you. I've had enough, but you're too hard to quit. We've had our fun, now your sugar makes me sick. I've lied for you, and I liked it too. But my makeup's ruined, and now I'm laughing through my tears. I'm crying through my fear. But baby, if I had to choose, the joke's on you. The joke's on you. God knows I've tried to be kind, but I'll just hate it. Some and die wearing a fake smile. The joke's on you. My heart's gone bad, now it won't be for you. You had your laugh, now I won't play the fool. I've lied for you, and I liked it too. But I'm black and blue from bleeding for you. You struck the match, burned me out so fast. Look what we had, now it's turned to ash. I've lied for you, and I liked it too. But my makeup's ruined, and now I'm laughing through my tears. I'm crying through my fear. But baby, if I had to choose, the joke's on you. The joke's on you. God knows I've tried to be kind, but I'll just hate it. Some and die wearing a fake smile. The joke's on you.
I ain't tryna. Yeah, ain't tryna be cool like you. Wobbling around in your high heel shoes, I'm clumsy. Made friends with the floor. 2 for 1, you know a bitch by 4. And 2 left feet, you know I always drop. First thing a girl did was a bop. And the whole damn cake and the cherry on top. Shook up the bottom, made a good girl pop. You ain't even here to party. Ken in the club tryna pipe a Barbie. I don't wanna go with the flow back then until I touch my toes. I don't wanna roll the boat. Wrist full of rocks and I hope I float. Big up yourself cause you know they don't. I chew cause they hope I show. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'm a shine like.
Okay, lovelies, so here's the final result of my Harley Quinn fan art. If you hear heavy breathing, it's my nephew. He just woke up and he's on me right now. Say hi. Okay, he's shy. So, anyhow, this is the final result. And I'm really happy with how it came out. I knew that I had a yellow to this kind of shiny paper, this kind of special paper, but apparently I used it some time ago. I've had these papers for years. I didn't know, but the orange didn't look so bad, and because I experimented with putting paint over it, I know it wouldn't work. Put paint over it to make the shadows, so I just made some darker parts of it for her pants to be in the shadow, and I think it looks so good. So you guys know the significance. If you've watched the movie, you know the significance of Harley only having on one shoe. I know. I just tried to pack as much references as I could in this. And I like how the jacket came out. Like, ooh. And I put some white over her thing to showcase the plastic part. It more looks like she's wearing a raincoat than anything, but I'm actually kind of liking it. You can see it from far. And when it hits the light, ooh, everything sparkles. Now I wish I could have had some blue, like silver dust, so I could put it in her eyes so it could sparkle too. But anyhow, Harley's awesome. She didn't need that. But I am so happy with how this came out, lovelies. Ah! Yay! Yay! Shaky head now. Anyhow, so thanks so much for watching this video, lovely. I hope you enjoyed yourself, because I did. I second guessed myself so much, but when it all came together, it was excellent. So thanks so much for watching, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed it again, and experiment with different medias. You'll be surprised with what you get, because I would have never thought to use paper like this before, and it's super fun. So of course, I would like to thank my patrons: Carla Finlow, YK, Princess Auntie, Rose Rollins. Wait, why do I always say Rose Rollins like that? Everybody else gets some excitable. Let's see. Rose Rollins. Yeah, that's the new thing, if I can remember. And me, so much for supporting me over on Patreon. And don't forget, you lovelies could come and support me over on Patreon as well. And I'll see you in the next video, lovelies. Bye. 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 Yeah. Bye.
This bad boy gon' miss. Run up on me, I better get the gist. Harley, catch a quick body. Vroom, 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 like I'm riding a Harley. But I'm in a Rari. Sorry, not sorry. Didn't say a peep, but I know them birds saw me. Tell your people to call me if it is about that chicken. The most wanted in Gotham. All your diamonds is missing. Oh, you thought I was kidding? This a suicide mission. You need to make a decision on what side is you picking. See it if I want it, I'ma take that. See it if I want it, I'ma take that. See it if I want it, I'ma take that. See it if I want it, I'ma take that. Girls like me, they don't make that. Girls like me, they don't make that. Girls like me, they don't make that.
Remember rhythm, start to play. Dance with me, make me sweat. Like the lazy ocean hugs the shore. Hold me close, sway me more.
Legacy the